Hello friends, this is Sandeepan here back again with another unboxing video, and today as you guys can see I have this huge box with me, and today we are going to unbox this thing together. But before going to the unboxing part, let me tell you I am joining Capgemini as a senior analyst, and today I got their training kit. So I am also really excited to see what is inside it. So without any further ado, let's dive into the unboxing part. So as we are ready with the unboxing part, let's unpack the box. Okay, so there are two things. First one is this bag from Lenovo. So probably the laptop is also from Lenovo. And inside it we have this box. So now let's unbox this thing. Okay, so here we go. Wow, it's the Lenovo ThinkPad. It's so handy and lightweight. And wow, this is the laptop, you guys can see. I think it will be great to use. And here goes the charging cables. Nothing inside here. Okay, let's check the bag once. Nothing here. Oh, yeah, I guess this is the mouse. Yeah, right. So we got a mouse. So I guess that's it from their side. And if I put them together, so these are the things I got from Capgemini. So that's it for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If so, give a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can make more such videos for you. Hope to see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.